Hello, it's Sarah Carnes coming with a nugget of nourishment. Here we are with more snow today, and if indeed you can get beyond the inconvenience of slippery roads or slow going on the roads or the shoveling, snow blowing, sweeping, keeping things clear so that they won't be too slippery. What if you embrace the beauty? What if you take a moment to watch the snowflakes drift down and follow a few of them, and then follow a new one as that one hits the ground? Notice how that feels. Does it make a difference in your breathing? Does your physical body feel different afterwards? What do you notice? It's a really kind thing to do. Maybe it's a leaf in the middle of winter floating. Maybe it's watching a bird sit on a branch. Maybe it's watching how the trees are swaying in the wind, or how the icicles glisten on the branches at certain times of year. What is that for you that you can observe and take in the benefits of? That's my nugget for you today. I hope you are enjoying the weather, the beauty that's in front of you, whatever that might be. It might be taking a look at a really simple house plant, taking a look at your hand and what's there. Just notice all the little lines and breathe. And let it give you a sense of reset, because that's available for you. And come over to sarahdcarnes.com for other practical tools for living in a kinder way so that you really do step up. You feel more nurtured, less in fight or flight. And then you get to find more of the true aliveness and joy that does indeed reside within you. That's my wish for you, and we will talk soon. sarahdcarnes.com